Hello, it's Tracy Jackson, also known as the Spiritual Cheerleader, and I'm coming to you today with my unboxing of the Rebel Deck Couples Edition. Womp, womp, womp. So, I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Rebel Deck, but the Rebel Deck basically tells it like it tis I is, and so, it holds nothing back. It uses nice colorful language to get the message across and help you to get to the heart of the matter, right? Literally, as the thing says, zero filter, zero fucks, all fun, right? And it literally, like, they have this cute little card that they put in every, I guess, order. It says, you know, you're the shit. And on the back of it, it has a coupon code for you to purchase your next one. So looks like the regular Rebel Deck is in my future because I was holding out on it. But now that I got 10% off, I'm going to do it. It says Tarot with Attitude. Technically not a tarot deck because it only has, 60 cards. So it's technically an oracle deck. It doesn't even really have like major arcana, minor arcana. Like they're all like on the same level of cards. So it's really an oracle card deck. But the messages on them are hilarious. You know, you see shit differently. That's life with another person. Good times. Spend time with bae, make art, love, and music. Your boundaries are trash. Block those bad vibes. It isn't personal. Shit's not always about you. I mean, I love it. Love the one you're with. This includes you. I mean, they're really, really, really good messages. If you can't read that backwards, that's on you. Do you really need a card for this? How hilarious. Deal with your drama, handle exes, old hurts, and unresolved shit. Your friends miss your face. They need you. You need them too. Stop trying to control everything. Every damn thing. And then it says, let shit go. Don't be so extra. Go on a real fucking date. I love this. I love these cards. You fucked up. Yeah, it's your fault. Say this out loud. I'm sorry. Open your mouth. Talk, use big words like validate, acknowledge, and empathize. Sit back and relax. So they're pretty funny cards, all right? But they literally tell it like it is. So, like I said, I highly recommend them. That you get a free card. Like, I guess you fill it in with whatever you want to fill it in with. But the cards are really, really, really cute. It tells you, I mean, pretty much everything in relation to relationships. Like, there's one talking about pack your bags. There's one that, you know, says, you know, tantrums are for babies, cook a meal, time to talk about money, you know, send a pic. You know, it kind of keeps the relationship, you know, high, or it will tell you like that's not the relationship for you. And I truly do believe that these cards are very, very spot on just because of what I've seen in relation to like my friend doing her sweet and salty readings with this card as the salty card. And I personally got a reading with the you know, a sweet and salty reading from her, and it was so spot on. And she has the regular Rebel deck, so this deck literally just came out recently. They just sent them out this week, and I highly recommend them just because they're so funny, and if for nothing else, they will make you laugh. So have at it. Feel free to let them know I sent you. And Rebel Deck Couples Edition, if you're looking for another card deck that relates to couples, this is the one for you if you like a little saltiness. and sassiness. All right, talk to you guys soon. Feel free to share this out. Feel free to like it, comment, let me know if you liked it, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.